Hi, my name is Veenu. I'm with DDN, Principal AI Solution Architect at DDN, and we are here to talk about data intelligence platforms and how it can accelerate your mission for building an AI factory with Vulture, with DDN all together. So let me just give you a quick backgrounder on DDN. For those who don't know what DDN is, it's originally named as Data Direct Networks, focused on data solutions for the modern age of AI, agentic AI as well. We started initially as high performance computing, so almost all the research from NASA, the Department of Energy, they're all using us as a base storage for all research. And now we've expanded into all sorts of AI, including sovereign AI, enterprise AI, agentic AI, and all the new stuff that we're doing with NVIDIA. We're very closely partnered with NVIDIA. So this picture just kind of shows you that we are completely certified, validated on NVIDIA. They use us for their own infrastructure to build out all the Nemotron models, the DGX platform that is rolled out. 90% of that is ours, and you can see some of the hardware portions of our product there. We have the software layer also on top of that, which is what Vulture is using. So this just gives you an idea of the trust level we have across the board, from semiconductor industry, LLMs, NVIDIA being the main one here, XAI, Human, Mistral, they're all using our technology. You see Vulture over there in the cloud computing area. This is where we are partnering very closely together to come up with new solutions which are meant for the right inferencing audiences. We also have defense, automotive, financial services technology. You can see the whole academia has been using us quite a bit as well. And this is all because they're doing extremely high and very complex research which requires the cost to be low but the efficiency to be strong. So where are we today? And just to give you a quick idea about what are the customers navigating, there's a lot of confusion, there's a lot of complexity they're dealing with. Over 60% of the new workloads are all about inferencing. That's where we believe the AI factory becomes very useful. Over 10 times more metadata is being generated today than ever before, and that can be unlimited in nature. As you take a lot of multimodal data, you bring it all in. How do you process it? How do you create the metadata and manage it? We believe that's really the key of trying to make AI ready data which is ready for AI. And then finally, storage systems are deploying even more than before. The complexity is increasing. You want that flexibility, but you want it at a low cost. You want to do it efficiently. So that's why we are partnering here together with Vulture to show that combination which can be very beneficial. Now, you might have seen this before from NVIDIA. This is their classic definition of an AI factory. It has all the building blocks. The green blocks represent the software and the GPUs, orchestration layers. The blue blocks represent the storage layer. This is the architecture which is considered a model architecture for any enterprise to go build their own AI at production scale. So we are focusing on the data element today. But essentially, if you have the right quality data, if you have good quality data, you can really monetize it. You can make the most of it. You can actually build some very interesting applications on top. And we do rely on the partner ecosystem to achieve that, but we enable them with the right certified solutions around that. So, what are the four main scaling factors? You might have heard about this in yesterday's keynote as well. I'm just trying to emphasize. First one is obviously training. Everybody wants to build their own model or customize their model. That workload will never go away. And we do a lot in that space. We have Accelerator which enables that. Secondly, it's all about using existing LLMs or small language models and fine-tuning them, improving them, doing post-training. All of these require a massive amount of processing, but you want to do it efficiently at a low cost and a very high level of confidence with your AI models. Then comes the third one, which is building additional layers of sophisticated applications on top. RAG applications, video applications, things that you can do with computer vision, robotics, physical AI, all of those fit into that category. And then finally we have the new advent of agentic AI and Nemotron being a great proof of that, how a single person can create a software stack that almost everybody will start using because it simplifies the way you deal with AI, how you interact with all the AI agents, how do you make it really useful to the enterprise. So we believe these are the 4 scaling factors which are forcing people to reconsider their architecture. Look at how AI factory can be really built in a more efficient manner. So what's the real truth behind all of this, right? Most entities are failing today in productionizing AI. And why are they failing? Because they're not treating their GPUs as capital assets. They're just lying idle, creating a lot of stranded capital. Storage, determines utilization, but the storage is just another swamp which you're not using all the data from. And then the return on investment from utilization is very important. People just leave it aside after that initial push. But then how do you keep going? How do you make this really useful for the organization? So think about return of investment as a very critical aspect. The CFO, the COO, every entity is thinking about how to make this really useful. So having the factories always up and running is really critical. Uptime is important. We have partners like Accelerator here, right, who use that approach to keep utilization pretty high and add new services. And factories are by nature kept to be up and alive and running all the time. You know, factory, what does factory tell you, right? It has to churn something out. It's intelligence. We're creating intelligence out of this. So data and tokens all being utilized to generate intelligence. If you do not use your GPUs efficiently, you end up with a lot of idle time, you end up with a lot of costs on your end, and you don't end up really taking the benefit of it the way you want. With Vultr and DDN together, we can get rid of this enemy, right? The idle GPU, the stranded capital. We can start building systems which use the GPUs completely, there's no starvation. The recovery time is quick, simple, easy, fast to do. Remove all the metadata bottlenecks that people have, and then it allows you to use all of that uncontrolled data that is coming in and convert it into something of value, of within a cost, right? Cost parameter. So, you know, we at DDN are known for this, we are famous for this, we bring value to the organization that way, and there are many details behind this which I won't go into, but our products are working in hand in glove with Vultr to make this happen. So, what's the real need for data? Right? Why do we need data? And then this is an important slide because as the data is exploding and growing, we need a better way to control it and manage it. We need to handle the diversity of data, JSON data coming in, sensor data coming in, video data coming in, all of that has to be handled. And the sprawl within the enterprises is evidently pretty large. They're not able to control that sprawl. So we need to bring all of this together. That's why NVIDIA and us came together and said, let's build that AI data platform. Let's build a design spec which is helping everyone. We accelerate this AI data platform with GPUs. We use CPUs also, but we're using GPUs to accelerate it even further. That is what gives us the efficiency, that's what gives you the ROI and helps you get more accurate, real-time input. So your data models and your AI models, your business processes are really giving you what you need to generate the right decisions. So this is really critical. Take a look at this picture, right? If you have all sorts of input coming from the right side here, from the edge, from robots, from other devices, users, agentic AI, millions of, billions of probably agentic agents will be out there sending data. We need to take that, control it, pass it on. So the way we are showing it over here is there is edge action, and we need to collect that data and process it. And there is data center action as well, but we need the cloud in between to handle all of the instantaneous bursts and spikes and needs that are coming. So Vultr and DDN are working very closely together to figure out that challenge. Make sure that we reduce the challenges that are there, reduce the complexity, reduce those roadblocks which are causing people to slow down or not adopt AI fast enough, and improve the performance aspect, because performance is really what is giving you the boost or the ROI back over there. And then data can live anywhere. It can live on hybrid, it can be on the cloud, it can be on premise, but we are able to connect to it and leverage that too. So these are the 5 vertical areas that we are currently partnering on. financial services. You can see an amazing demo of this at our AI factory on Wheels store with Vulture demo running on top of DDN. We have life sciences healthcare. There also we have an example of how a patient can come in and talk to the data. Auto manufacturing, telco and public sector. These are the 5 top verticals. These are the common use cases. And we think we can improve the business outcome. We can really speed it up. We can bring maximum value for you. And this is all accelerated by NVIDIA, but it's Vulture who's simplifying that interface for you. So these pipelines are built, in a very packaged manner, reusable manner. We obviously expect you to customize and build what you like to do with your audience and the way you want to build it. You need training and inference together, you need digital twins, you need omniverse and training together. There are so many combinations. So you can think of all of your business directives and achieve that using this technology on top of a ready-to-go stack. That's really the point, right? So this is an example of an architecture with Vulture. This specifically shows an AI native data pipeline. It shows all the storage elements you can see on the left side here from the data sources. And on the right side, you see all the cloud GPUs from Vulture working on it, processing it, and converting it to stuff that can be used in your vector database or application. So this is really, really simplified in that manner. And you see, at the end result, you get the healthcare portal. You make an assistant, you make a bot, you make an agent, you make it really easy for your clinicians or patients or consumers to use it. This is what we are showcasing at the AI Factory on Wheels. This is what we are showing at the booth also over here. So please keep in mind, the faster the pipeline, the more efficient the pipeline, the more you can make of it, the more revenue can be generated, the more you can do with an AI Factory, which is really what you should all aim for. And our RAG pipeline is 22x better than any other pipeline out there. Look at AWS related deployments, look at any deployment, you'll see that we focus a lot on speed, efficiency, and maximizing the value. So I'll just show you this block diagram to show you how it all comes together, right? You have the AI data platform at the core and the base level. This is what Vulture is using. On top of that, you keep building one factory after another, factory 1, 2, 3. Now you use your GSI partners, HCL Tech, Accenture, others, and connect their apps, their AI refineries into this, add the agents on top and make it really scalable. So this is the way we see the future, right? And that is applicable to mostly inferencing, but you can now start adding the training aspect and do more fine-tuning also on top of it. This allows you to have departmental control, BU control. It allows you to have a secure, controlled environment and faster time to value. That's really what your CEO is looking for from you. So as a last couple of points here to make, DDN supercharges your AI Factory. We are to data as Vulture and NVIDIA is to compute and what you're trying to simplify for your customers. We want to reduce the failures, we want to improve the use of data, and we want to build more productivity in there. With that, I want to end the session pointing you to this exhibition, this expo. We have it at Jesse Square around the block. If you just go out of this building and cross over, you'll see the Vulture thing. If you want to scan, that is the scan QR code to find the directions in that way. Please join us this evening. We have a VIP social event this evening after 6 o'clock. Please join us at the bus. We'll have great food over there. We can talk about any challenges. Thank you.